If you are into photography or ever thought of getting into it, there are so many great options available to you today in the form of excellent digital cameras that it can be an unenviable task zeroing in on the device that works best for you. Your job, in such a case, is made easier, or probably tougher, by a number of brands offering accessory kits built around a superior digicam. At a marginally higher cost, or sometimes at no noticeable extra cost at all, you are getting a full package of delectable stuff. Why wouldn't you go for it? For instance, the really exciting kit we have for you today, built around the Nikon COOLPIX L340 20MP digital camera.
Here we go!
Apart from its 20MP still photography, Nikon COOLPIX L340 offers video recording at HD 1280 by 720 resolution. Also have the built-in microphone, which captures the surrounding sound in high fidelity, enhancing the quality of your videos several-fold. Additional features like the Scene Auto Selector, which takes the work out of making great things, or the simple menu system, which makes selecting one of the 16 scene modes really easy. Even the CCD sensor, which lets you capture bright, sharp images every time, make this one of the best devices in its price category. The biggest assets for this camera, its 28 times optical zoom with vibration reduction, using which you can capture even far-away action with detail that would impress anyone. You need even more reach. There's the dynamic fine zoom, which can increase your range to an incredible 56 times. Dimensions that make the camera easy to carry around and a chunky design with a large rubberized hand grip are other plus points that let you move about conveniently with the COOLPIX L340. To this, the impressive 370-shot runtime that its battery gives you, and you really have a mean photography aid in your hands. If the camera's features haven't convinced you yet, listen to what else you get in this kit from Hero Fiber. This 10-piece deluxe accessory kit includes an X-Tech full-size 50-inch tripod with case, X-Tech flexible mini table tripod, 2 X-Tech LCD screen protectors, a 32GB SDHC secure digital memory card, SD USB memory card reader, X-Tech 4AA high-capacity, 2,950 mAh batteries, a digital camera carrying case, universal memory card wallet, and an X-Tech lens care and cleaning kit. These are essential accessories that you would end up buying in any case in the course of your photography. Reviewers of this kit have been suitably impressed with all they get, with close to 400 users giving it an average score of 4.3 on 5 stars. Ease of use of the camera itself, with the high quality of images it lets even beginners capture, seems to be its biggest draw. And of course, the tremendous value that this entire kit offers is the icing on the cake. That's about all we have for now. Nikon COOLPIX L340 digital camera kit. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. For something else? Take a look at our other reviews of digital cameras here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.